Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how you can set up your accent light, the LED light strip in your Tesla vehicle exactly how you want in terms of the brightness, the color, and whether it's on, off, or only on at night. So what we want to do is open up our menu. So on the main screen of our vehicle here, we're going to click on the little icon in the bottom left-hand corner. What we want to do from our menu is click on the lights option. Then from this page, we can see here towards the bottom, we have our accent light option. So you can either always have these off, you can always have them on, you can just have them on at night only, and then they'd be off during the day. I like having them on all the time. You can also adjust the brightness. So if I drag this, it gets quite dim when we're all the way here towards the dim end, and then going all the way to the bright end, we can see things brighten up quite a bit. So you can set exactly how bright or dim that LED light strip is going to be. And then also, of course, you can customize the color with this option. You can pick whichever color you want on this wheel, or you can choose from pre-selected ones. So let's say, for instance, maybe I want like a dark purple bluish color. I can drag and drop it and we can see what that looks like up here. And you can try out any different color, just dragging and dropping this to all these different areas, and you can find a color that speaks to you, something that you would like to set as your accent light. So I'm gonna select that, and whatever color that you get on that you really like, you can add these to your pre-selected light options here by clicking on this little plus sign, and we can see that that gets added down here. So I don't see any yellow option up here. So let's say, for instance, we go down here and we get into the yellow area. Maybe I like something like that. I can add this again, and then that'll get added down here. And if you'd ever want to get rid of these colors that you had created, just hold your finger down on the colors here, and you can see you can click the little X, and that will get rid of the one that you had created. Click on the screen again, and it'll take you out of that option. So again, we can add any colors that we want. Being our preset saved area down here, you can maybe find a handful of different colors that you like, and you can add them down into your presets so that they'll be in that area. And this might not seem like that big of an addition, having this accent light go around your Tesla vehicle, but it's actually been kind of one of my more favorite things about the Model Y Juniper. I can take whatever color I really like, set it, and then whenever I'm driving, my favorite color is just kind of in my periphery. It customizes the experience and feel of the vehicle to something that I really like. And I think that's kind of cool that you have the option to pick any of these different colors that you'd want and have that as the interior accent color around your vehicle. But this is going to be the area that you can adjust the settings for that accent light color. In our lights menu here towards the bottom, whether you want them on all the time, off all the time, only on at night, you can adjust the brightness, you can select the color. And it's a pretty cool feature, in my opinion, what Tesla has done with these accent lights in their newer Tesla vehicles.
Thank you to Joa for supporting this video and the content on my channel. Please consider checking out Joa's premium Tesla products and accessories through the link in the description. Use my exclusive discount code THANKS at checkout to save. I appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel for more Tesla content in the future.